Hello. Today I'll be making a bread spread or appetizer. You know, you can use it as a side dish. I'm making it with olives, 2 types of olives, cottage cheese, cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna have to cook for a little bit the cherry tomatoes with a little bit of olive oil and herbs, and then mix everything in a food processor together. Just a little bit, just pulse it, and then you can serve it just like that. And I hope you guys try. So now I'm marinating the cherry tomatoes. I already added the frozen cubes of parsley and olive oil. So I'm just gonna marinate them quickly. I'm not gonna put salt because the olives have salt, so you don't want to make it too salty. So I added thyme, black pepper, and oregano. I'm just gonna mix them together, and as such, so I don't need to add oil at all because the cubes have already oil in it. So I've done these previously, like 2 months ago or so. So now I'm adding the tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. You don't have to cook them a long time, like 2 minutes, but that's it. So now the tomatoes are done. Turn the heat off and cover it with a cover until you are gonna. Now we're gonna ground the olives and just pulse it. You don't want it too much. And that's it. So now I'm adding the cottage cheese. Mix them all together. This on its own can be a bread spread, if you like. It's delicious. You can add some olive oil, and voila. So now I'm putting in a bread spread over here, and then you can add the tomatoes with the parsley. Super delicious. I hope you try.